Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome to my first unboxing video of my new iPad Pro. Alright, so this is my first unboxing video, obviously, so it's not what I'm normally doing on this channel, so bear with me here. I figured I just picked it up from the store, so why not? I might as well just, do an unboxing. Anyway, Spec Wise, we have the third generation iPad Pro 11-inch 256 gig with cellular. My bank account did not like that, I will tell you. I also picked up a keyboard. The Combo Touch, I went with this one because there's a different one that's very similar to this, also by Logitech. But the main difference is that this keyboard detaches from the rest of the tablet. So you can have kind of just like the case on at one time and then attach the keyboard at any point. With the other one, you have to like fold the keyboard onto the back. I also forgot one other thing to grab, so let me go grab that. You guys know I had to do it. I had to pick up an Apple Pencil too. You cannot have an iPad without an Apple Pencil. And I got this for 30 bucks off on Amazon. I've actually had it for like a few weeks now because I knew I was getting this stuff. So I was like, you know what? Let me buy it early. So we also have this new view, if you will, of my desk. I actually did this this new camera view on a stream, my Lego stream. If you were there, you've seen this before. It actually looks really nice. So yeah, you guys can see everything that's on my desk. All right, so let's start with the iPad Pro. Oh man, here's the little tear, the little tear tab right there. Oh, this experience is gonna be like, oh my god, dude, the way this plastic comes off. Oh, do I just tear it or just? Oh, okay. Oh, guys. So before I open this, I actually was going to get the 128 gigabyte version, but I would have had to either drive like an hour and a half away from me or wait 2 to 3 weeks. And I start school on this Friday, so it's like 3-4 days from now. I wasn't doing that, so I had to spend an extra $100. I got the 256. The other thing was that I could have gotten 128 at Best Buy for $9.99 with cellular, but it was $10.50 with a student discount at Apple. So I basically got double the storage for only 50 bucks more, if that makes sense. Anyway, I'm opening this thing up, guys. Does it just slide out? I don't know how this opens. I don't want to break it. I didn't get a screen protector. Apple doesn't sell them. I went to Best Buy after I bought this looking for one. They're all like $40, $50, $60. Oh my god, here we go. I was not spending that much money. Oh my god. That air that comes out of this when you... Oh my god. Guys. Yes, I just smelled the box. There it is, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there you go. Oh, dude. Looks so nice. All right, like I said, 11-inch. 12.9 is ridiculously sized and also like $200-300 more. Was not getting that one. Oh, even the freaking charger I'm excited about. Like, why is that not strapped in or something? Oh, there's even the plastic peely thing on this. This is a nice feel on this. It's like glossy, but also like kind of sticky, if that makes sense. I don't know. Maybe I'm just overreacting about a charger, but hey. Nowadays, you sometimes don't get chargers, so I mean that's an add-on bonus for me. Okay, so I think in here, manuals, and you had to throw in they had to throw in the Apple stickers, guys. They had to throw in the Apple stickers. We got manuals and oh, I thought this didn't have a SIM card tray. Did I buy the right one? I could have sworn that there was an eSIM. So obviously, yes, eSIM does not have a SIM card tray. And since I have cellular, I have to buy a separate like data plan, which I'm not excited about. I'm not going to do it right away because I literally don't have the money for it. Oh yeah, it does. Cellular data, insert an activated carrier SIM card or activate a plan using eSIM. Essentially, you just don't need a SIM card. It's just like you straight up just buy it through the settings and in the actual iPad itself. You actually get to choose like pretty much any carrier. I think I'm gonna go with T-Mobile. I just didn't want to get to the point where like I need it and I can't upgrade, because why would you want to get a whole new iPad just for cellular? Buy it once and be done. You know what I mean? I don't know. I almost don't want to peel it off until I get a screen protector. This is like the best part of the entire unboxing too. I'm not gonna peel it off yet, guys. I know that's a bummer. I just wanted to make sure I was getting a good one because I didn't want to spend $60 on like a pack of 1 or 2 at Best Buy. A big problem that I was gonna buy one the other day, but I was doing some research before I did my my other Amazon order, is that if you put, mostly it's the problem with the glass screen protectors. I don't know if it's the same thing with like the regular versions, but apparently like this thing leaves, like when you draw on it with certain screen protectors on there, it like doesn't have as like, I don't know, it like squiggles a little bit with, I don't know, it's weird. This is also a really nice unboxing right here. I'm not gonna lie. Just pulls right out. That's what she said. Sorry. I had an opportunity, I had to take it. So it comes apart. If I want to use it as a case, I can, and I just want to draw on it, I can, without folding the keyboard back. I don't know, the other one just like is like it's one piece, so you have to take out your entire iPad just to use it as is without a keyboard on it. But this one, the other good thing about this was that it's a case too. The folio cases or whatever, they're like $79. This was $200, so it's definitely more expensive, but you get the keyboard with it. It's detachable. I'm sorry if my other webcam gets blurry as well. I don't know what's up with it. It just like doesn't stay focused. So it's going right in. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, is this even in the right way? Oh yeah, there's like there we go. There's like this thing on the plastic thing around the volume buttons. This thing folds out. Very, very cool. I'm not even giving you guys like a good angle. I'm so sorry. I told you I'm not good at this. All right, does it go this? Yeah, it's gotta go this way. Oh, just listen to this. Oh, all right, now let's put the kickstand. Oh yeah, now I'm getting to work, guys. I'm working on a Tekken 2 from anywhere in the freaking world with my, yo, this is actually sick. I'm not even gonna cap, yo. And there's like different angles and stuff that you can put it at, like, oh, you hear the keyboard? Let me put a little closer here. Let me put a little closer. There's like a decent amount of travel on those too. I mean, for a tablet keyboard, you wouldn't think. Either way, I'm really happy that I made the decision to go with this one instead of the other one. It was like $40 cheaper, $50 cheaper, the other one. And I was debating it last night because I literally didn't know if I was gonna have enough money to go in there and just buy it. All right, here we go. I'm gonna boot it up, guys. Oh, you guys see that? You guys see that? It's so blurry, I'm so sorry. Oh, there we go. It's already up. Oh, I just swipe up. Oh, English, region. I'm gonna set up, oh, let me not show that. That was my Wi-Fi networks. Oh, now it said it didn't connect, and then it connected to my Wi-Fi. May take a few minutes to activate. Now we wait, guys, now we wait. All right, now it's asking me about data and privacy, whatever. I don't even care. Oh, Face ID. I almost forgot it had this. Yeah, it can't even see through the thing. I'm gonna have to do that later. Oh my God, and also I forgot, guys, 120 hertz display. It is so freaking smooth. I can't even see like what I'm typing. It's so blurry. It's now working to set up my Apple ID. I still cannot believe that this thing has a USB-C. That's gonna take so much getting used to. Oh, the film is covering the charging port though. Ooh, I have to take it off. You guys realize that, right? Welcome to iPad. Here we go, guys. Oh my God, that refresh rate. Okay, I'm gonna first, I have to take it off because it's covering all the ports. It's covering the USB-C spot, the SIM card, which I don't really need a SIM card tray, but it is covering it. It's also covering speakers, so it's, oh my God, this thing's like actually hard to take off though. At least it's gonna look nice. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. Ooh, guys. Oh. That noise, do you guys hear it? Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm touching the screen with my greasy fingers. Oh, this isn't, oh, that didn't work out very well. It just slid off. Okay, oh my God. But seriously, look at the reflection on that. You guys can see me. Look, it's me. It's my setup. Ah, it's me. Dude, the colors, the refresh rate. Oh my God, dude, the refresh rate. If you guys don't know what refresh rate is, it's just like how smooth the screen looks. So it's like 60 FPS versus 120 FPS, even though it's technically called hertz. I'll tell you what did hurt is how much this freaking cost me. Oh, I have to do my Apple Pencil. I still have to open my Apple. I was really about to freaking end the thing. All right, let me do Face ID first. This is so cool. Face ID is nuts. It's gotten so fast. Watch. Oh, but I still have to slide up. Ooh, I don't like that. I don't know if you guys can see it maybe from like over here. You just watch the top up here so you can see like the thing unlock. It has like a little unlock icon. Like, do you see how freaking quick that was? Let me do it again. Done. Open, done. Like literally it's like 0.5 seconds. It's crazy. There's already freaking fingerprints on it. Next up, we have the coveted It's been 22 minutes of me doing this. I've had this for a long time, and I'm finally ready to freaking open it. I literally saved onto this. Oh, I like that. I literally held on to this for like almost a month, just so I could do this unboxing video for you guys. I was gonna open it like 10 times. I was like, I can't do it. I can't wait. I need to open the Apple Pencil. Leave a like on the video just for that. It's another little pull tab. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this presentation, guys. And it's just right there. Like, that's as simple. It doesn't get much more simple than that. Ooh, I like that. We have to draw on this thing. Let me go to my notes. Oh, I have to pick a... What the hell? Is this not even on? Do I gotta turn this on or something? Like, oh, I have to... Yeah, that's right. It has to pair. Look at that. As soon as I put it on the side... Welcome to Apple Pencil. That's the other thing I forgot to mention. It's magnetic on the side, guys. It's so freaking cool, bro. It's so cool. It is so cool. So let's give it a try, all right? I know what I'm gonna write, guys. I know what I'm gonna write. Oh. What? You guys will not freaking believe. Do you guys see that? Thought is the GOAT. I put in Tilo is the GOAT. And it auto-corrected to thought. Explore double tap. Double tap on your Apple Pencil. Whoa, there's a tap. I didn't even know about that. Okay, so on the Wacom tablet, there's actual buttons, and I always find it hard to press a button while I'm holding it like that. It's very annoying, especially because there's two, but there's a tap. Dude, that's sick. So I'm double tapping, and I'm switching between marker. All right, so it's on marker. Double tap. I'm now on eraser, and it's gone. But I think we're gonna have to end this video right here, guys. I'm so hyped. So thank you guys for watching. I know it's been not the greatest video. As I said, I've never done this before, so thank you guys for sticking with me. If you're still here, make sure to drop a like on the video if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video.